Okay, a very good morning to all the Caesareans family and welcome to mathematics class. And a very good morning to all the students who are watching over here. So, my dears, today is Tuesday and it's 30th June 2020. So, today we have a very interesting topic. My dears, last time we have completed till question number 6 of exercise 6.1 of the chapter squares and square root. And today we are going to continue with question number 7. And see the heading of the question. The question itself is very interesting. Without adding, find the sum. Without adding, we will find the sum by calculating it in a fraction of seconds. So it's a trick in mathematics. So if you learn this, you can add it without calculating. But listen carefully, there are two conditions to apply this. The first condition is you can find the sum by adding only the odd numbers. The first condition is the number should be odd number, to which numbers you are adding it. And the second condition is the number should be starting from 1 and it should be consecutive. Consecutive means one after other, no number you should miss it in between the two odd numbers. Like after 1, which odd number comes after 1? That is 3. After 3, which odd number comes next? 5. After 5, which odd number comes next? 7. After 7, which odd number comes? 9. We can continue with so many numbers, but only odd. I told you the first condition is all the numbers should be odd and it should be consecutive, one after other. So here in the first question we have taken the 5 odd numbers. We can take any odd number starting from 1 and it should be consecutive. Like in Roman number 2, you can see so many odd numbers are there. In Roman number 3, it's more than that. We can take any numbers, any odd numbers. Means how many odd numbers you want to take, it's your choice. And you can calculate it in a fraction of seconds without adding it, without using your pen and paper. So this is very interesting. See here, I'll tell you. Suppose here I have written a formula. N. What does N means? N means how many odd numbers you are using, that is N. How many odd numbers you are using, that is N. I'm again repeating, how many odd numbers you are using, that is N. Like in the first question, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that means the value of N is 5. The value of N is 5. And now how we will find the sum is, you'll have to square the number. Whatever is the value of N, you'll do N square. Here the value of N is 5, we'll do 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5, 25. So if you add all this 5, you'll get 25. See, without calculating it. Isn't it? See, just check. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. And 4 plus 5 will give you 9. 9 plus 7 will give you 16. And 16 plus 9 will give you 25. But we don't have to add it. We can easily find it by counting the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 square is 25. So sum of this odd number, this 5 odd number is 25. It's very easy and very interesting as well. It's a trick in mathematics, isn't it? Okay, let's see question number 2, Roman number 2. How many odd numbers are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 odd numbers are here, but the other condition is the numbers should be consecutive. You have to see whether if any odd number has been missing in between. After 1 comes 3, after 3 5. So here in this question no odd number is missing. If any of the odd number is missing in between, you can take any till any odd number, but in between you should not miss any odd number. Are you getting my point? So here we have 10 odd numbers. So 10 square means 100. If you'll add all this, you will get the sum 100. Very interesting, isn't it? Okay, now this is your homework. You'll try it yourself. Okay, I hope you have understood this video and this sum. Let's move to the next video in question number 8.